Wherever I travel across the world, Indians are known for three very special characteristics. जहां भी मैं विश्व में भ्रमण करता हूं वहां भारतीयों की इन तीन चीजों से विशेष रूप से पहचान होती है. The first thing that Indians are known for across the world is Indians are very smart. Do you agree? Okay, thank you. And especially when it comes to making money, Indians are smarter. Especially if they are Shetties from Mangalore, they are smartest. Extremely smart, right? There was a class, and in the class the teacher came, 7-year-old kids, and the teacher asked the boy called Varun, Varun, what do you want to be when you grow up? Varun said, well, I want to be a multi-billionaire, karodpati. I want 365 cars, one for each day of the year, 25 homes, 5 chartered planes, and 6 bank accounts. Teacher said, look Varun, I didn't ask you to write an essay. I asked you what you want to be. In the same class, there was another 7-year-old girl whose name was Pooja Shetty. She was from Mangalore. So teacher asked Pooja, don't write essay like Varun, okay? Tell in 2 words what you want to be. She said, Varun's wife. I will let Varun do all the earning of the money, and Pooja gets married and gets all the money. Shetties are extremely smart. But jokes apart, I know that across the world, Indians are known to be extremely sharp for their smartness. 13 of the doctors of the President of the United States of India, in the United States of America, are Indians. But that's not the only speciality, ladies and gentlemen. Number 1, Indians are smart. But number 2, Indians are also very much known to be sparing and saving. They save, they spare. The economy grows not by earning. The economy grows by saving. And the greatest savers of the country are the women at home. So when demonetization happened, they were in greatest anxiety because they had the greatest cash in their house and they didn't know how to reveal it to their husbands that I saved all this money. But you know how to know an Indian? An Indian person is known to be that person who after the shampoo bottle is over will put water in it till last bubble comes out. They will not throw it. They will not throw it. Who is an Indian? An Indian person is a person who after the toothpaste is over. No, I know you don't do that extreme. But after the toothpaste is over, you'll go from back to, how many of you have done that? Going from back to front, and one day it doesn't come out. How do you know an Indian? An Indian is a person who, when there is a hole in the t-shirt, he will keep it for the night. When it is not even usable in the night, he will keep it for holy colors. And when it is not even usable for holy, then he'll use it as a pocha, as a mop at home. Known for being sparing and saving, ladies and gentlemen. We are known to be smart. We are known to be sparing. And in today's world, Indians are also known for a third S. The first S, smart. The second S, sparing. And the third S, Indians also now have a great spending capacity. Today people are making so much money and are spending so much money. A phone costs 1.5 lakh rupees. आपके दादा परदादा ने कभी 1.5 लाख का फोन खरीदा था? लेकिन आज तो पैसे खर्च करने की क्षमता सारे राष्ट्र में बढ़ गई है. People spend money like anything, even on weddings. You come to Mumbai. One of my friend's son, he got married. That friend spent 400 crore rupees on his wedding. सुना आपने? फिर से बताता हूं. मेरे मित्र के बेटे की शादी में मेरे मित्र ने 400 करोड़ रुपए खर्चे किए और शादी 6 महीने चली बस. At least it should have lasted. At least it should have lasted. But nowadays the slogan is love at first sight and divorce at first fight. Oh my God, I must tell you. But believe me, the spending capacity of the country has increased like anything. One little boy came to his father and said, "How much did your marriage cost you, Papa?" Father said, "I'm still paying, beta." Now the fact of the matter is this. Across the world, people are, as Indians, are known for S, smart. The second S, sparing and saving. And the third S, spending. But is this your identity? Is this my identity? Is this the identity of this country? Smart and earning, great. Sparing and saving, great. Spending and helping the economy grow, great. But is this your identity? Is this my identity? Is this the identity of this country called India? क्या खर्चा करना, कमाना और बचाना, क्या ये भारत की पहचान है? Is this the speciality? Is this the USP of this country? What is the speciality of India? भारत की विशेषता क्या है? भारत की पहचान क्या है? आपकी पहचान क्या है? मेरी पहचान क्या है? हमारी पहचान क्या है? Every country has a USP, a speciality. Like if I ask you, what is the speciality of the Middle East? Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Sharjah, Bahrain. What is their speciality? Oil. Middle East की speciality है oil. If I ask you, what is the speciality of Japan? The speciality of Japan is its technology. When if I ask you, what is the speciality of Germany? The speciality of Germany is its punctuality. If I ask you, what is the speciality of America? The speciality of America is her liberty. That's why they have a Statue of Liberty. हर एक देश की एक विशेषता है. Every country has a speciality. हमारी विशेषता क्या है? Engineering, mathematics, scientists, technology, cricket, Bollywood, politics. क्या है इस देश की विशेषता? What is the speciality of this nation? All of these are fantastic. Technology of India is fantastic. Science of India is fantastic. Engineers going and settling in Silicon Valley. Great smart engineers, fantastic. Bollywood stars, Tollywood, Kannada cinema, fantastic. Sports, fantastic. Politics and leadership, fantastic. Is that our speciality? हर राष्ट्र की एक पहचान है. जापान सोचो टेक्नोलॉजी याद आती है. मिडिल ईस्ट सोचो ऑयल याद आता है. जर्मनी की बात सोचो पंक्चुअलिटी याद आती है. भारत को सोच के क्या याद आता है जी? And therefore our tourism tagline is Incredible India. Incredible India. And what is so incredible about India? The most important aspect that distinguishes us as a nation and as citizens of this nation is the fourth S, which is our spiritual wisdom. Ladies and gentlemen, हमारी विशेषता, हमारा आध्यात्म, हमारी विशेषता, हमारी धार्मिकता, हमारा विशेषता, हमारे सिद्धांत, ये हमारी विशेषता है. We go to Dubai to look at Burj Khalifa. We go to America to go to Orlando to see Disneyland. We go to probably to Munich, Germany to go to Dachau to see the concentration camps of Hitler. सारे विश्व से लोग इस राष्ट्र में आते हैं क्या देखने? ताजमहल जी बहुत बढ़िया है. क्या देखने? गोवा जी बहुत बढ़िया है. क्या देखने? हिमालय जी बहुत बढ़िया है. सारे विश्व से लोग इस राष्ट्र में आते हैं. People from across the globe come to this country with one thing in mind: to seek and learn the spiritual wisdom of this country. Ladies and gentlemen, if people come to Goa for tourism, go to Rishikesh and Himalayas, you will find so many white, American, Western, European, African people who have come to seek and learn the spiritual wisdom of this country. ये हमारी विशेषता है. और अगर हम ये छोड़ देंगे, हमारी वैल्यूज, हमारी एथिक्स, हमारी इंटेग्रिटी, our culture, our character, if we leave all of these, I'm not too sure what is our identity. So this evening I thought I would share with all of you